Hello, so today we are going to be making a spicy, cheesy chili lasagna. So this will be the end result, and let's get cooking. So what we're gonna need for our cheesy lasagna is 2 cans of diced tomatoes with basil, garlic, and oregano, 2 cans of tomato sauce, pasta noodles, some olive oil, a small diced onions, 2 pounds of spicy Italian sausage, meat, chili sauce, and a bag of mozzarella cheese. And remember, being we are working with raw meat, we need to wash our hands before and after. So let's get to cooking the meat, and then we'll get this all put together. So we've got our pan heated up, and normally I get the ground spicy Italian sausage, but they didn't have any this weekend. So I ended up getting the sausage, which you can just remove the casing and then just, pinch it up into little pieces. And then as you're cooking it, you can break it up further. Just about halfway done. Give it a stir here in just a minute. Wash my hands. Stir and break this up a little bit. And our oven is preheated to 350. Put the rest of this in here. Just about there. Granted, it's a lot easier when you get the ground, but it all turns out the same. Last one. Alright, now wash my hands again. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to get this cooked down, and then I'll be adding in my onions. And we'll be cooking them till they're tender. And so once we've got that done, I'll be back and we'll continue making the meat sauce for the lasagna. So back in a little bit. Okay, so our onions and meat has been cooked down. This has been cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to add in our diced tomatoes. And then our tomato sauce. And then an entire bottle of chili sauce. put just a little bit of water in there to get the last of it out. And then we're going to cook this for about 20-25 minutes till it's all nice and blended. So once we get to the point to where we're ready to start setting everything up, we'll be right back. All right, so our sauce is done. And now we want to get a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. And we are going to scoop some of the mixture on the bottom, about 1 to 2 cups. Well, maybe 3 cups. We want to get a nice covering on the bottom. Alright, then we're going to take our pasta sheets and add those in. Do 3. I'm going to add a layer of cheese. Another layer of the sauce. Then 3 more sheets. And these are oven ready lasagna sheets. So then we'll take the rest of our cheese and sprinkle it across the top. And then we're going to take the rest of our sauce and cover that. I'm going to spread that out. And then it's going to go into the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour till it's all bubbly and melted and delicious looking. So let's put this in the oven and then we'll be back once it's done. So see you on a bit. All right, so it's baked for 30 minutes and it's done. And as you can see, it's still bubbling because it's just out the oven. So we're going to let this cool down for about 10-15 minutes and then we're going to plate up and have a good lunch. So hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy your food. Bye.